Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will indulge in the delight of our luscious mango cheesecake, a masterpiece of creamy goodness that will satisfy your every craving. Crafted as a no-bake, this cake exudes a mousse-like texture, generously filled with succulent mangoes, and without the need for eggs or gelatin. It's an absolute celebration for your taste buds. So, let's dive into the world of pure mango bliss and experience the straightforward joy of making this heavenly treat. Begin by selecting two ripe and succulent mangoes. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Gently blend until you achieve a velvety smooth mango puree, brimming with tropical goodness. Now, divide this puree into two portions and set aside. Prepare the base by taking gluten-free cookies or any other biscuits of your choice. Pop them into the food processor and transform those cookies into fine crumbs. In a dedicated bowl, pour 250 milliliters of whipped cream, whipped to create a creamy frothy texture. Add 2 tablespoons of mango puree and 200 grams of cream cheese into the mixture. Gently fold the ingredients together using a spatula until they are fully combined. Blend until smooth. Pour the melted butter over the biscuit crumbs and thoroughly blend until every crumb is evenly coated with the buttery goodness. After preparing the mixture, transfer it into a bowl. Carefully spread the crumbs across the bowl's surface, ensuring an even distribution, and gently press down to create a smooth and level surface. Spread the luscious cream cheese mixture over the crumb bed, making sure to spread it evenly without applying any pressure. Use a gentle touch to delicately distribute the cream cheese across the surface. Next, pour the mango puree over the cream cheese layer, ensuring an even distribution across the surface. Gently spread the mango puree to create a smooth and consistent layer. Follow the same process for creating the second layer, just as done before, and allow it to set in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours or, even better, overnight. This resting period will ensure the layers come together perfectly and develop a delectable texture and taste. For a delightful finishing touch, Feel free to adorn the cheesecake with crafted mangoes, delectable chocolate shavings, fluffy whipped cream, or any other delightful toppings that you and your family fancy. Let your creative instincts run wild to make the cheesecake truly irresistible. Lovingly scoop out portions of the mango cheesecake and serve them immediately. Now, it's time to indulge and savor every delightful bite. Enjoy the heavenly goodness. Thank you for watching. This creamy and oh so delicious dessert is sure to captivate your taste buds. With my simple recipe, you can easily create a mouth-watering homemade mango cheesecake to delight yourself and your loved ones. Don't wait any longer. Experience the tropical bliss by trying out my easy mango cheesecake recipe today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will return with another of my delectable recipes soon. So meanwhile, take care and bye for now.